The room is tense, eyes fixed on Elon Musk as he stands at the helm of SpaceX's board meeting. Whispers of AI investments ripple through the air, a bold gamble that could redefine their future. The stakes have never been higher, with Wall Street watching every move. Decisions made here could either catapult SpaceX into uncharted success or send it spiraling into chaos. What are the implications of SpaceX's AI investments and their impact on Wall Street? In a dimly lit room in the early 2000s, Elon Musk sits surrounded by blueprints and dreams. The air is thick with ambition as Musk, inspired by a failed attempt to buy rockets from Russia, decides to build his own. He pours a third of his fortune into this audacious venture, birthing SpaceX. To ordinary people, SpaceX represents the frontier of possibility, a private company daring to reach the stars. The stakes are astronomical. Success means opening a new era of space travel. Failure could spell financial ruin. By 2008, SpaceX achieves its first successful launch, securing vital funding from NASA and private investors. This victory propels the company forward, turning Musk's dream into a tangible reality. Yet as SpaceX soars, whispers of controversy begin to surface, threatening its newfound momentum. Behind closed doors, a storm is brewing that could shake the very foundation of Musk's empire. It's 2021, and the world is watching. SpaceX makes a bold move, purchasing the satellite startup Swarm for a staggering $524 million. The acquisition sends ripples through Wall Street, as investors ponder the implications of this strategic expansion. Elon Musk, ever the visionary, sees beyond the immediate costs. He envisions a future where Swarm's technology integrates seamlessly with SpaceX's ambitions, enhancing their capabilities in ways competitors can only dream of. Fast forward to Friday, the day SpaceX makes its debut on NASDAQ. The air is electric with anticipation. Shares open at $150, and the trading floor buzzes with excitement. Prices fluctuate wildly, hitting a high of $175 before settling at $161.11. By the end of the day, the company's valuation stands at an impressive $86.25 billion, a figure that commands respect and envy in equal measure. Investors are both thrilled and anxious. The company's market presence is undeniable, but whispers of SpaceX's aggressive AI investments linger in the background. These whispers hint at a future where AI could revolutionize space travel, making missions more efficient and cost-effective. But the risks are equally daunting, with potential pitfalls that could destabilize even the most robust of enterprises. As SpaceX rides the wave of its recent successes, the shadows of controversy loom large. Accusations against Musk surface, threatening to overshadow the company's achievements. The board must navigate these turbulent waters carefully, knowing that one misstep could unravel everything they've built. And just as SpaceX seems poised for even greater heights, a new challenge emerges, one that could change everything. In a sleek conference room, the SpaceX board members gather, faces tense under the fluorescent lights. Elon Musk stands at the head of the table, his eyes gleaming with the fire of someone who sees the future before it unfolds. It's November 2018. The whispers have turned into a storm, and the board must address the allegations against Musk. A severance agreement is signed with a former flight attendant for $250,000, a decision meant to quell the brewing controversy. The stakes are higher than ever. As the ink dries on the agreement, the room is silent, each board member feeling the weight of the decision. They know that this is more than just a legal matter. It's a test of SpaceX's resilience and Musk's leadership. Outside, the world watches, eager for the next headline. Meanwhile, SpaceX's audacious AI investments continue to draw attention. The company's financials show a net loss of $4.9 billion in 2025, but Musk remains undeterred. He envisions AI as the key to unlocking unprecedented efficiencies in space travel. The potential rewards are immense, yet so are the risks. Wall Street analysts debate whether this gamble will propel SpaceX to new heights or lead to its downfall. In the background, the hum of anticipation grows louder. The board knows they are on the precipice of a new era, one that could redefine the boundaries of space exploration. But with every bold move, the shadow of controversy threatens to eclipse their achievements. The room is thick with tension, the air almost crackling with the potential for triumph or disaster. And as the meeting draws to a close, a single question hangs in the air, unspoken but palpable. What will SpaceX's next move be? In 2025, the numbers are stark. SpaceX posts a staggering net loss of $4.9 billion, a figure that sends shivers down the spine of Wall Street. The company's revenue stands at $18.7 billion, yet the accumulated deficit looms large at $41.3 billion. Investors scrutinize every detail, searching for a flicker of hope amid the financial storm. Elon Musk, ever the optimist, remains unflinching. He argues that the AI investments are not just expenditures but seeds for future growth. The potential to revolutionize space travel through AI is a vision he clings to, despite the mounting losses. But the market is unforgiving and skepticism grows. The board faces mounting pressure as whispers turn into roars, questioning the wisdom of SpaceX's financial path. Contracts worth $4 billion are signed, but the shadow of the deficit casts doubt on their ability to deliver. The tension is palpable as the board convenes, eyes fixed on Musk, waiting for him to justify the numbers. Meanwhile, the competition isn't idle. Rivals eye SpaceX's missteps, ready to capitalize on any falter. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. Investors are restless, their confidence wavering as they weigh the risks against the potential rewards of Musk's audacious gamble. As the meeting adjourns, the board members disperse, each carrying the weight of uncertainty. They know the future is uncertain, and the next move could make or break them. The question of whether SpaceX's AI investments will yield the promised returns remains unanswered, leaving the world watching with bated breath. SpaceX's AI investments have become a double-edged sword, slicing through the core of Wall Street's confidence. On one side, Elon Musk's vision of AI-driven space travel promises groundbreaking efficiencies and a new frontier for exploration. On the other, the staggering financial losses and mounting deficit cast long shadows over these ambitions. The board's decisions, scrutinized by investors and rivals alike, hang in a delicate balance between innovation and insolvency. SpaceX's trajectory is fraught with risk, yet the allure of redefining space exploration is too compelling to ignore. As tensions mount, one question lingers in the minds of all stakeholders. Will the gamble pay off or lead to a financial implosion? In the boardroom, the tension is electric. SpaceX's AI investments have shaken Wall Street to its core. Elon Musk's vision of AI-driven space exploration is bold, yet the financial losses are undeniable. Investors and rivals watch closely, calculating the risks and rewards of Musk's audacious strategy. The stakes are immense, with billions on the line and the future of space travel hanging in the balance. As the meeting concludes, the board's decision looms large, a choice that could redefine SpaceX's destiny. Will they soar to new heights or crash under the weight of their ambitions?